Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial where I'll be showing you how to use the OK card overdraft to get up to 150,000 naira with no collateral, no paperwork, up to 16 days interest free. If you're ready, then let's dive right in. Okay guys, I just activated my OP card. Before I continue, I would like to show you this. As you can see, my BVN is not linked in, my ID card is not linked in, but I got granted a loan of up to 5,000 naira with no paperwork, with no collateral. This is something you like to try out, guys. So if you're ready, smash up the like button as we dive right in. For those of you who don't know what OK card is, OK card is a credit card, and credit card is a card that allows you to spend on credit and repay later. So that's the exact purpose of this OK card. It allows you to spend on credit and repay later. And like I said earlier on this video, you have up to 16 days interest-free rate on any loan you take with this app. So to activate the OK card, all you have to do is click on this button right below you, and then it will land you on this page, which will then ask you to activate your account. Once you click on activate account, just wait for it to load up your credit limit, and then it will appear on your screen just like this. So now that you know what OK card is and how you can activate your OK card, now let's dive right in. Let me show you um the pros and cons of using this OK card. So guys, I'll be talking of the pros and cons of this OK card. In the course of this video, I won't be hiding anything, so I'll be saying everything like as I've observed and noticed while using this OK card. So um firstly, I would like to start with the cons of using OK card. So for the first disadvantage I noticed while using OK card is that you can't move the money out of the platform. You can only spend the money on bills, payments, airtime, and the rest. You can't actually move the money out of the platform. So for those of you who want urgent money to solve urgent matters, OK card would not be of benefit to you because you can't move the money out. And secondly, before activating this OK card, you would first of all need to install an application from OP, which is called the plugin. The plugin enables them to have access to your device. So, if for example, in 2 weeks' time you have not been able to pay back your money, since you're not using a collateral, you're not using any paperwork, OK will be able to lock your phone, like place a password on your phone until you're able to repay back. Then you can disable this function. Okay guys, so one of the advantage of OK card and their services is that they have low interest fee. So for this 5,000 naira, if my due date, which is 16 days from now, I've not been able to pay back my 5,000 naira, my fee a fee of 30 naira will be accumulating every single day. So they have a low interest fee, and also you can be able to bank with them. You can be able to take loan from them without any paperwork, without putting your information at risk, without exposing your information. So these are one of the advantage I've noticed, discovered while using Pampi. And also, I know most of you will be asking, what of those who have not used Pampi before? Well, you have nothing to worry about, because for new invitees or new people to the platform, has a credit limit of up to 3,000 naira. So if you have to register today, like to sign up for Pampi, you can have a credit limit of up to 3,000 naira. So if you're interested in trying this out, there is a link down in the description box. Do well to check it out and sign up on Pampi and start enjoying all these amazing benefits. And also, for those of you who missed my first video, please go back and rewatch and learn how to use Pampi and enjoy all these amazing benefits. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.